Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the solution to the problem Kth largest sum in a binary tree. The essence of this problem is to calculate level sums of a given binary tree. And as is typical when it comes to trees, we can typically just traverse the tree in any way we want and calculate what we need during that traversal. So in this case, we'll just recursively calculate those level sums with a single function. And our function will remember the level that the current node is at, and of course the current node. And now the traversal that we need to do, starting from root, is to, of course, if our node is null, then we don't have to do anything. Otherwise, we have to add to the sum of the current level the value of our node. We'll be maintaining the sums in an array, in a list. So we have to make sure that the list is long enough to hold our current level. And then we recurse to our left and right children, with the level being 1 greater than currently. So this is a very simple recursive function. We're going to run it at root with level 0. And now the final thing that remains for us is to return the kth largest sum from all the sums that we have. It's possible to do it in linear time, which will give us a linear time solution, because this whole process here takes linear time, because we have a linear number of nodes within our tree, and we visit each node once. So linear time would require us to get the kth largest value in linear time. It's possible to do it using, for example, quick select. However, it's simpler just to sort the numbers and return the kth number from the sorted array, which gives us n log n complexity. So I guess it's up to you if you want to use something more difficult, because I don't think that Python has built-in nth element like C++ has, because the C++ function is called nth element, which essentially partitions on the nth element. I don't know if Python has something like that, and if not, then you would have to write it, so it's probably better just to sort the array.